at this blue sky. Lovely brief stay with Yannick and family, including Kat. We had crepes, galettes, love it. Thank you Yannick and everybody. Today I've got an easier day. It's less hilly, the sun's out, there's a slight tail breeze, and I'm off to visit an old city, Concarneau, something like this. Yeah, conditions are good. I'm excited. I've also realised that if I get a move on, I might be able to get to Barcelona for Easter. So time to start doing a few more kilometres each day, although not today because I have a host already arranged tonight. My back brake has got really loose and it seems like I'm losing brake fluid. I'm not thrilled about that bike service in London. It's a nice touch. Office of Tourism, it's not going to help me today. Stupid brake has put me in a rotten mood. It's going to cost me time and money within a month of having a proper big bike service. And now I'm grumpy instead of enjoying this lovely walled city of Concarneau. Oh, dolphin. Okay, fine. I've just seen a dolphin, the sun's out, I've got a lovely crispy baguette. It'll all work out. Back to enjoying my day. Bonjour. Been hanging out on the Wi-Fi at you-know-where, waiting for my host to be available. And it's freezing now that the sun's almost set, but it's been a lovely sunny day. More of this, please. That looks awesome.